What up, guys? It's Ashawnya, and I'm here with another video. This is quarantine edition. You guys have asked me to do a day in the quarantine life of Ashawnya. I might be vlogging and putting different vlogs together because I don't know how long I'm actually going to be doing a quarantine life. But today, we're doing pizza. I'm putting shrimp on my pizza. I'm putting pineapples. So all you guys who don't like pineapples on your pizza, up, take an exit to stage left. I have mixed meat. I have hot dogs. I have sweet peppers. I have corn. I'm gonna show you guys. One sec. Okay, so this is what I have. We have our rolling pin. We have some shrimp. We have some sweet peppers. Different flavors of cheese. This is Kobe Jack. No, this is pepper jack. My bad. This is the Kobe Jack, brother. Hot dogs. We have some grated cheese, corn, tomato sauce, pineapples, and we have some mixed meat. So yes, stay tuned. And we have the pizza pan. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Okay guys, so that is the prep. I'm actually going to show you the entire process. My mom was like, showing you know wait to show people us in quarantine. No, we done cut roti, we bake cake, we do so much different cooking, guys. Every single day, putting on sauce, which is a dish in Barbados for those of you who are not Bayesian. It's basically pig tail, pig ears, pig feet. And yeah, and it's pickled with dried fruit. And we use sweet potato to grater it and put some browning inside, and we bake it, and we call that pudding. So yeah, we did all of that, but you know, it's better late than never, so stay tuned. All right, so we're about to grater the cheese, and it's done. Okay, so I have done taking out the shrimp. I've put the mixed meat in the bowl, and now I am about to cut the hot dogs. Alright, so mommy would have seasoned the mixed meat. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm here cooking up the shrimp. I would have added some onions, sweet peppers, and parsley inside. And some salt to taste with some garlic. So the mixed meat is done. And now mommy's mixing the dough. Mommy, what did you add?
Okay, I would have added some flour, some yeast, some sugar, salt, oil, and then you add the water here gradually, and you stir that in. Then you add it a little bit more, and you then would knead it.
And this is hot water?
Warm water.
Okay, warm.
Warm water. Some people do it with thing, but they.
What's thing?
With room temperature water.
Oh.
But so I'm going to take this now. I'm going to knead it up.
Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so now mom's kneading the dough.
This piece here is giving me licks. He would not blend in at all, like how the rest is nice and, you know, stretchy. But I'm going to put it in a nice ball and let it sit and rise while we finish cut up the rest of stuff.
Alright, so stay tuned. Y'all, so mommy would have rolled it out, and then she has literally sticked it with a fork so that when we are baking, you know, I don't know what I want to say, but y'all know what I want to say, right? So yeah, so this is what it's looking like. So stay tuned for when we are actually putting on the ingredients. So we are about to pre-cook the dough. Alright, so we had like some dough left over, so what we're gonna do is make 3 little mini pizzas that are gonna be so cute. I'm gonna show you guys when it's done, but I'm gonna show you guys the entire process of the big pizza. Alright, so far mom's put the tomato sauce on as well as cheese. Okay,
just the cheese. Yeah,
now she's getting some mince meat. Alright, so this part is finished. We're putting some hot dogs now. Mommy's strategically placing them. It looks like.
Just that so every slice will have at least a piece of hot dog, or I might have to cut up some more.
Alright, so this is the finished product of the hot dogs. Next, we're going to get some shrimp. Alright, so this is it here with the shrimp. Next, she's going to come with the pineapples. Alright, so this is it with the pineapples. Next, she's going to put some onions. Alright, so this is it with the onions. Now she's going to put some sweet peppers of different colors. Yum. It's looking really nice. Alright, so this is it with the sweet peppers. When she doesn't know where to put it. Alright, this is really it with these sweet peppers. Now we're going to put some corn. And this is it with the corn. So now all is left to do is sprinkle some cheese. Alright, so now we're about to add some cheese. Guys, look at the minis. They're so cute.
Left. Only thing missing, folks, is some mozzarella cheese. I could not get that. By some quarantine, there's so many, the lines are really long. I went to 2 different supermarkets and didn't get mozzarella. We have some other cheese here. We have some Colby Jack.
Right here. Yeah.
This is the pepper jack and the
Pepper jack and Colby jack.
Colby Jack cheese.
Alright, so this is the end product. Y'all, so this is what the minis end up looking like. We added some more stuff. Now mom's about to add some cheese.
Whatever little is left.
That's a lot of cheese, big one. These is minis. All done. Alright, y'all. The pizza is done. Woohoo! Mommy, you can put it down, you know. I could come to you. Got that oven in a little sweet bread. That heat. Serious. Woo! Look at this beauty. It's sweet for you. However, the minis were not pre-cut, but we're actually about to put them in the oven now, and then we'll show you when it's done. Alright, so we are cutting this pizza up. It's still hot, so it probably may still thing back together, but here it goes. Alright, so the minis are done. Look at them then. Look sweet.
Cheese melting over and all.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product of both of them. I am absolutely glad and happy of how they both came out. Alright, y'all already know what time it is. It is time to taste it. So I have one of the mini ones. The mini ones actually don't have shrimp on it. I love the crunch. The mini one doesn't have shrimp on it because we just used all the shrimp for the big pizza. But it's nice.
The little pizza going to take that shrimp thing with.
Hey y'all, I know I keep saying that I'm literally gonna vlog and show you guys how the boats are parked outside of Barbados, but I never get to do it. Say hi, Mumsy. Hi. I'm about to turn the camera around so you guys can see. It's much less than it was before. but I'm still gonna show you guys. So I'm seeing one here, I'm seeing one there, one here by the tree. Can't see it, mommy. So yeah, I'm only seeing 3 right here. There's more, but I can't see. Oh, look, the 4th one is over here. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, but there's it right there. But yeah. So we're driving along, and this is actually one right here. This is another one. Here goes another. I'm seeing one right there. Guys, look how calm the sea is. It looks so pretty, but it ain't got no waves. It just flat. This is so pretty. Not a soul. Hey y'all, it's another day. We did enjoy our pizza, but now we're cooking cuckoo and salt fish. Cuckoo is part of our national dish here in Barbados, so you're actually gonna get to see some of that. So stay tuned for the kitchen. All right, so this is okras. This is what you actually boil to stir with the meal. And my mom, currently, we're doing it with saltfish. So we have frizzled saltfish with some sweet peppers and onions mixed up together. Right, so what you do here is then you add water and then you flavor it to suit in terms of how you like your gravy. And mom would have added some parsley, some tomatoes, some onions. Now she's adding sweet peppers, those kind of things to taste. Alright y'all, so this is how the cornmeal brand Indian girl cornmeal starts. And then you put some of the slush from the okras into the pot. And then you just stir it in and you just keep stirring so that there's no lumps. And this is basically how you cook it. So stay tuned for the end product. Say hi, Gran. We're on the phone with Gran, so Gran's gonna be in the vlog. Everyone is like, what happened to Gran? We miss Gran. So yeah, y'all don't get it, Sushi, but you can hear him.
Like to laugh at Gran now.
Alright, so the cuckoo is done. Mom would have diced some cucumbers up, and she did some sweet pepper so that we can put on the side of the food. And this is that's sweet. And this is the saltfish gravy. Mom was like, that's sweet potatoes here. Right. Alright, y'all. So this is what it looks like served. Alright, y'all. So I'm continuing the vlog. This is big. In quarantine, we're here about to go get some gallon bottles because your girl been selling some tea. So, just continuing my quarantine vlog. It's another day. Here we go. Alright, y'all. So we got the bottles. They're packed in the back. They hit the mass. Oh Lord, it is really hot. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. But this is all part of my quarantine and what it be like. It's very random. Most of my quarantine has actually been cooking. But I didn't show you guys cooking because I just felt like you can get so bored of seeing me cooking and eating because that's all I've been doing, guys. But I've been losing weight because I've been drinking my ASOT, as you guys would know. I definitely make sure that I'm detoxing in quarantine. So as I'm eating it, I'm pooping it all out. So, hit me up for your ASOT to get yourself a detox. I also been taking my chaga to help with building your immune system. It helps with anti-aging and stuff like that. Chaga has many other benefits. Look it up on Google. Stay tuned. Alright, so it is the next day and we're out doing deliveries, guys. This is all part of the quarantine vlog. We're matching
Today, hi guys. We're in shorts today and striped shirts.
Hey guys, on our way to deliveries, I'm seeing 3 carnival ships. Oh Lord, focus. It's not focusing. Alright, there we go. Another day doing deliveries.
Yeah.
This is exactly what our quarantine life is like, yo. Ain't nothing more we can do. Ain't no snow cones. You know what I mean? Hey guys, so I'm in the streets of Bridgetown during quarantine. And this is literally what it looks like. It looks like ghost town. Say hi, Muzzy. So I'm continuing quarantine vlog. And as you know, in quarantine, you definitely don't have a barbering session. So your girl is Ashawnya today. So your girl already started. She don't know what she's doing, but based on vacation, so it's fine. Okay. And this is actually my second time doing this since quarantine has begun. But he was going to work by then. So your girl wasn't doing this. Your girl was literally just giving him a roundup. This is the finished look. I can't even see if y'all can see because the sun is bright. But your girl tried to sing. Let me see if I can see her on the back. I can't see if y'all can see, but I can see post edit. But yeah, your girl done. $10. Alright, y'all. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Smash that like button, subscribe, rate, and comment. You can feel free to follow me on social media at Ashawnya. It's all spelled the same way as the Ashawnya in my channel name. Guys, it is still within, you know, these times. I recorded this video. I started the recording of this video like, I say last year, early, when it was really locked down on Barbados. So, you know, you guys requested me to do a day in the life of me. And that's what I've been doing all COVID season. I've been literally, you know, delivering products, selling, you know, having food cooked. That's all I've been doing and working. So with that being said, guys, if you really do miss me, I'm telling you, follow me on Instagram at Ashawnya. I'm telling you, you're going to see every single day I promote on there. I am always posting. If you miss me, literally follow me on Instagram and you're not going to miss me. You're going to see me every single day. So with that being said, today's post notification shout outs go to Princess Leah and Lisa Coombs. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Stay tuned for more vlogs on this channel. A bitch! Hey! We gonna mash up the road. It's Ashawnya. Tell you what. My waistline hot's like temper. Move up right down and center. My wine is an adventure with me.